There are many stories relating to how the gold was first discovered in Wicklow. This is one such story. What's that over there, John?
What are you on about, Tommy?
Oh, just there, under that tree that's overturned.
Yeah, sure, there was a storm lately, so what, like?
I don't know, it looks like something glistening in the bottom of the tree.
Would you go ahead about that, Tommy? Like, we've got trees to cut down here.
Yeah, I know we've got trees to chop down, but like, do you want to come on and have a look?
Alright, I'll have a look in a minute.
Yeah, you have a look there and see what you think. Where are you talking about, Tommy? Just here?
Yeah, John, just on the right hand side. You'll see it glistening back at you.
You're right. There's something glistening in here. Hang on. Yes, that does look like gold. I'll tell you what to do. I'll wash it off in the washer and we'll find out in a second. Do you know what, Tommy? I think you're right. It is gold. Woohoo! Right, come on, we go down to the pub and we'll tell everyone about it.
Over the next 6 weeks, local people would visit the river picking up nuggets of gold. And where they ran out of nuggets of gold, they would simply bring along frying pans, pots, sieves, anything they could to process the dirt. Over the period of 6 weeks, the locals recovered an estimated 2,600 ounces, which today's prices is €4.1 million.